Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video we are converting our Vue 2 application into the Vue 3, right? And we have covered that how we can basically build our same music player in the Vue.js 3. We have added some properties like how we can add the variables, and now we need to work on that how we can basically add the methods. This is a method save song, we are calling it here, but it's not created, so I'm going to create it. In the Vue 2 we are doing this thing that we are adding a method property, and then we are adding the method something like this, calling the variable something like this. But in the Vue 3, if we want to create any method, we need to do something like this: const, then variable name, it's a save song, and then we need to add a equal sign, and after that we need to use a arrow function, which is latest added in the JavaScript. Okay, something like this arrow, this thing, something like this is overall function without name, right? This is overall a function, and then we are saving that value into that variable, right? This is an equal sign, which is assigning all of the variable values to this constant, right? You can also call this as a constant or variable. Okay, good. Now when someone want to save a song in the playlist, right, we need to pull those values like song.title, we need this title, artist, and so on. And where we need to add that, we need to add that into this songs, right? So if you want to add that into song, you don't need to call this dot song something like this. When you use ref, you need to call this songs dot value. So in this way you can get the value of that variable or array. And I want to push my values into that song, so here I'll use that push function, and then using this syntax, right? So very first thing is I need to I'll add the title. So title should be title. I'm saving this is a title key. And how I need to get the title, I need to get that title from this, right, which I'm adding it here, right? Okay, so title, and then I need to mention dot value. If I want to get the title value, I need to mention title dot value. But if I'm doing this, if I'm calling this same variable in our template, we don't need to write title dot value something like this. Vue will automatically unwrap that value for us in the template, but if you are using that in the script, you need to mention that value. Okay, do this same for other ones, right? I did that. It's artist, do the same thing for artist, also do the same thing for the audio. Okay, and this would be the mark the song as favorite, right? And by default you can mark this as false, that our song is not favorite. And you can also, yes, that's it. So we are adding the song here, but first we need to also make sure that if our song's values are empty, then how to deal with that, right? Okay, now let's save those values, click on add, and yes, you can see this, our song is added in the playlist. But if someone here don't type those values and click on that, so you can see this, it's adding the empty values, which is not correct. So how we can basically validate those values as we are doing here, right? So we can do this same thing in our Vue 3 here. Before this, before pushing them into the array, we can say if and then we can mention the value title dot value. If you want to get the title value, equal null. Then I'm going to also do this same thing for audio dot value equal null. Then we can do this same thing for artist okay, and if it's also null, so if it's also null, throw a message like please fill all the required fields, right? And after that you need to add a return to stop that overall program control here, otherwise it will also execute this below code. Okay, now just add another song here without the URL. Click on that, so you can see this, it's asking us that all files are required. Click on that, so this song is now added. So in this way you can validate validate to your user that these files are required. Okay, great, we have added this method. It's very simple. And then if I want to add another method, like I want to toggle this favorite, right? I want to write that, so I need to make something this const toggle favorite, and then I need to mention the equal sign, then it's a arrow function, this syntax, and here which song I am marking this as favorite. So here we are passing that index value, or you can also name this song or whatever, or index, right? Basically this one is an index, that it's a first song or second or third, so on. Okay, so here I need to basically find that song and change its, if it's favorite, mark is as unfavorite, right? If it's unfavorite, mark it as favorite. Okay, so how we can do that? Our songs are stored in the songs, and then if you want to get the songs values, so we need to mention dot value, and then if I want to search index, right? So this is array, so I'm calling this array syntax and I'm finding that index into that array. And then if I find, let's say find a first song, so I'm getting its song favorite property, so I can do that. I will call this favorite, something like this. So then I need to assign a value. Let's say I want to assign this true, so it will be marked as true, right? Let's go here, add song, click on that, you can see this, it's marked as unfavorite. But if I'm clicking on it, toggle is not working, because we need to make that opposite of whatever we have set, right? So just copy everything here and then paste it and add a negation here, right? What it's doing, basically it's telling that to make the opposite of whatever it is, right? So now let's test this one more time. Okay, click on it and you can see this favorite is added. Click on it, unfavorite, click on it, favorite and unfavorite. So you can see this, we are going to, now we are easily able to mark this favorite and unfavorite. Great. So I'm going to now do this same thing for remove song, it's equal, and then I'm going to say that here songs dot splice, and here we need to also accept the index, that which song we want to remove. So let's say I'll mention the index and then 1, it will make sure that we want to only remove the one song. Okay, click on that, remove. Oh no, this is not working. Oh my god, I need to call that value here, so then this will work. Add song, click on remove, so you can see this, now I'm able to remove that song, right? So similarly you can copy all of the logic from here, that as you know, we want to make this play audio or pause audio. So I'm basically copying this stuff and writing that to save the time. Okay, play song. Here I'm going to make this something like this. I'm going to paste that URL. This would be the current song, play, and then I'm going to also add this pause functionality here too. Let's make this full copy paste because I don't want to waste time on that, right? So here I'm going to basically copy this. Oh my god. Okay, and align it properly. Okay, if this dot current song, pause it, otherwise say no song is playing. And this clear form is also required, so let me add that clear song const to clear form. Okay, it would be also the arrow function, so title dot value should be the empty. Then do this same for others like artist, like audio. Okay, and then call this clear form whenever our song is added here. So I want to call that same method something like this. So now let's go here, add something like this. So you can see this, now our values are cleared and I'm able to easily remove that song, right? And here we need to basically test the pause and play functionality. So let me find this on the GPD. Provide online mp3 music. Okay, so I'll basically put the URL and then get that. Okay, provide me the link. Oh, why do their link I want to play? Okay, it's now providing. Oh, it's providing the website link. Just provide dummy songs, not. Okay, great. Now let's pick what we are looking for. Okay, let's say remove that to new song. Artist would be ABC. URL would be this what I have copied. Click on this add song, it's added. Click on this play. Our play is not working. Let's debug that. What's the issue? Oh, I think I haven't. Oh my god, I'm using this dot current songs dot value, and then rest of the thing is fine. Here I need to also mention the same thing, current song dot value, and then I can pause that song. Let's refresh that to new song ABC. Paste that, click on this add, click on this play, and still song is not playing. Now let's see what's the error. It's a error game. Audio URL is not defined. Okay, audio URL, and then this audio URL is coming from where? Audio URL. Okay, play song dot. We are getting this audio from here. Audio URL. Okay, let's test that what it's returning. Audio dot URL. Alright, okay, now let's add one more time. Audio URL is not defined. Oh my god, why it's behaving as different? Let's say if I mention this audio, something like this. I have that audio variable here, so we make this audio song. It should be work as audio URL. Why it's not working? Let me debug that. in the play song we are using this audio. So while using this play song, I'm accepting that to audio. That's not good. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, I'm in the Vue 2 application, not the Vue 3. Sorry guys. So here in the play song, I'm not getting any audio URL. Sorry guys, I confused when I switched to the another app. I haven't noticed that I'm in the Vue 2 app. Just paste ABC. Yes, that audio, just copy it from here, paste it, add song, click on this play song, undefined grunt song. Okay. Oh, it's following this dot grunt, which is not good. Oh my god, I made all the changes here, not here, this one, not there, right? So let me copy them and paste. The values are here. Okay, and do the same thing for the pause function too. Okay, pause function, do the same and do the same. Okay, clear form is good enough. Now audio URL is grunt dot value and pause song is grunt dot value, and everything is in. Okay, so here I'm going to say new song ABC, then paste the URL, click on this add song, click on this play song. You can see this add song is playing, and if I click on this pause, this song is paused. Click on this play, and then it's paused. I can remove that song, I can add anything, I can remove anything, and it's same as working our Vue 2 app, right? Our clear form is working. These are our methods. We can add them wherever we want to add in the script, right? It doesn't matter that where we are. We don't need to do not depend on the methods property, right? These are our variable, we can call them anywhere. And I love that Vue 3 composition API, because it's give us the clean up the boilerplate. We don't need to set up the data methods, our hooks and so on. And it's also we are not dependent on those any of the methods, right? So just explore that in your capacity and share your feedback that how much you like that Vue 3. And thank you so much for watching this full series. If you think that this series added some values into your life, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments box. I'll see you guys in the next series, and also you can share your recommendation that which series you want to it to be next. Thank you and bye bye.